Gun dealers across America right now cannot keep their shelves stocked. 10 brand new firearms released in 2026 are selling out faster than manufacturers can produce them, and most gun owners have no idea these guns even exist yet. These are not incremental upgrades or minor refreshes. These are genuinely insane new designs that are changing what guns can do in 2026. From integrally suppressed folding carbines to competition-ready shotguns with revolutionary magazine systems, these are the 10 insane new guns selling out across America fast. Number 1 folds in half and suppresses itself. Stay until the end. Number 10, Daria Arms Max Competition Shotgun. What if someone finally fixed everything shooters hate about magazine-fed shotguns? That is exactly what Daria Arms set out to do with the Max Competition-ready shotgun, and they delivered something genuinely different from anything on the market right now. Instead of traditional steel magazines that have plagued magazine-fed shotguns for decades, Daria developed an entirely new magazine from scratch, polymer construction with reinforced steel feed lips, available in 10 and 12 round capacities, designed to feed reliably even when dirty and withstand hard use and repeated impacts. The Max ships with a self-cleaning gas piston system, a double buffer recoil system, and a proprietary muzzle brake reducing felt recoil by approximately 20%. Optics ready with flip-up iron sights, performance trigger, enlarged magazine release, flared magwell for lightning-fast reloads, fully adjustable stock with customizable length of pull and cheek height, interchangeable back straps, and AR-style grip allow complete personalization. At $1,299 to $1,499, this is one of the most affordable options in the competition-ready 3-gun market in 2026. But number 9 is where CZ brings back the magic of a legendary bolt action in a package that disappears on your shoulder the moment you pick it up. Number 9, CZ 600 Plus Carbine. If you have been waiting for CZ to bring back the magic of the legendary 527, this is exactly what you have been waiting for. Built on CZ's compact mini-action, the 600 Plus Carbine is chambered in 223 Remington, 7062 X39, and 300 Blackout, equally at home chasing varmints, hunting hogs, or serving as a compact truck gun. At just 5.5 pounds, this rifle disappears on your shoulder but feels incredibly lively on target. 18.5-inch lightweight barrel with adjustable iron sights, threaded muzzle, and factory-installed Picatinny rail ready for optics straight out of the box. CZ chose a beautifully finished walnut stock with fresh checkering and classic American styling. Underneath that traditional exterior, it is thoroughly modern 10-round detachable magazine, crisp adjustable trigger with 4 pull-weight settings, ambidextrous silent safety, controlled round feeding, quick change barrel capability, and nitride finish on every steel component. CZ backs it with a sub-mower 3-shot accuracy guarantee at 100 meters and a lifetime barrel warranty. At $899 to $1,099, this is exceptional value for everything included in 2026. But number 8 combines pistol and carbine into one compact package that fits in any backpack without breaking the ammunition budget. Number 8, Kel-Tec PLR-22 Defender. Kel-Tec makes firearms that are innovative and genuinely fun to shoot. The PLR-22 Defender is no exception, and the complete package shipping in 2026 delivers extraordinary value at an accessible price point. The PLR-22 Defender ships complete with a Strike Industries folding stock, Vividian RFX-11 reflex sight, and Magpul angled grip straight from the factory. No additional purchases required. Mount it and shoot. High-strength polymer construction keeps total weight under 5 pounds. The front-angled handguard protects your hand from sliding forward. Half by 28 threaded muzzle accepts most suppressors on the market. Fire controls are instinctive and oversized. Reciprocating bolt handle textured and easy to grab. Magazine release located forward of the trigger guard exactly like an AR-15. The included Black Dog 25-round magazine is shaped and sized like an AR-15 30-round magazine, adding serious cool factor to an already impressive package. At $499 to $599, this is the most complete ready-to-run package at this price in 2026. But number 7 was specifically engineered from the ground up to run suppressed, one of the most innovative AR pistols released this year. Number 7, CMMG Zeroed Banshee. Suppressors are always fun, but sometimes it is better to buy a firearm designed to run suppressed from day one. That is exactly the idea behind the new CMMG Zeroed Banshee, one of the most innovative AR pistols released in 2026. All Zeroed Banshees feature a 6.5-inch barrel inside an oversized 10-inch M-lock handguard that tucks over either a zeroed suppressor or a faux suppressor blast diverter. Silicone M-lock grips protect your hands from suppressor heat during sustained fire. Available in 5 calibers: 5.7x28, 9mm, 10mm, 45 ASP, and 300 blackout. Ambidextrous charging handle, ambidextrous safety, single-stage trigger, zeroed pistol grip, radial delayed blowback across all calibers except 300 blackout, which runs direct impingement at $1,649 to $2,325, depending on configuration. This is the most suppressor-optimized platform on this entire list. Hit subscribe right now. The top 6 on this list are the most insane new firearms selling out fastest across America right now in 2026. But number 6 is a 9mm AK variant with a helical magazine that feeds unlike anything else available right now. Number 6. PSA Stazon AKV, built in collaboration with Stormworks Incorporated. This release from Palmetto State Armory is packed with features and serious firepower for anyone who loves AK platforms. The PSA Stazon is a slick mashup of Eastern Bloc style and modern American engineering. Helical magazine fed straight from the box, modeled after the iconic Russian PP-19 Bison, complete with a helical magazine that feeds like a dream. Once you get the loading technique down, rotate the mag 3 clicks, load 3 rounds. Oddly satisfying and completely consistent. This AKV variant features a hammer-forged trunnion and carrier, SB tactical side-folding triangle stock, Soviet-style grip, matching upper handguard and muzzle device, and a JMAC-compatible platform for endless customization. Further enhancements include a Picatinny top-railed hinge dust cover for low-mount optics, a 10.5-inch nitrided threaded barrel, single hook trigger, and rated for plus P9mm, performing exceptionally well, even when suppressed. This thing eats ammo and begs for more. Run drills all day, or enjoy 9mm rounds ripping through steel. At $799 to $999, this is the most unique AK platform available in 2026. But number 5 completely rethinks what a modern hunting rifle should look like, and the result is genuinely unlike anything else ever built. Number 5. Walther RS3 Hunting Rifle. What if the future of hunting rifles does not look anything like a traditional bolt gun? The Walther RS3 completely rethinks how a modern hunting rifle should handle, balance, and perform, and the result is genuinely unlike anything else ever built. Built around a compact bullpup layout with a lightning-fast straight pull action, the RS3 maintains a full-length 22.8-inch barrel, while measuring just 41 inches overall, giving hunters full ballistic performance without sacrificing maneuverability. The action rides inside a rigid monoblock aluminum chassis, centering weight between the shooter's hands for exceptional balance. Walther equips the RS3 with a crisp, adjustable performance trigger factory set at approximately 1.8 pounds, a hand-cocking system integrated into the pistol grip for added safety, and a dedicated suppressor interface proving this was engineered from the ground up for suppressed hunting. Available in 308 Winchester, 30-06 Springfield, and 300 Winchester Magnum with 6-round detachable magazines at $2,499 to $2,999. This is the most revolutionary hunting rifle on this list. But number 4 is a compact 300 blackout platform with premium components and retro-inspired styling, turning heads everywhere it appears. Number 4. PSA Mini Saber 12. Compact, aggressive, and purpose-built for close-quarters performance, the Mini Saber 12 stands out with its unmistakable retro-inspired styling. But beneath that classic exterior is a thoroughly modern fighting rifle, chambered in 300 blackout, built to a premium specification, at a price SAR has never attempted before. Built around an 8.5-inch nitride barrel with a 1 in 5 twist rate, an excellent choice for both supersonic and subsonic ammunition. The short barrel keeps it incredibly compact while delivering the ballistic performance that has made 300 blackout the dominant cartridge for suppressed shooting and home defense. PRI 7-inch carbine length tube handguard, paired with a Rock River Arms entry stock, gives it an unmistakable compact profile. A Law tactical folding adapter option makes transport and storage even easier without sacrificing durability. Internally, SAR equips the Mini Sabre 12 with their Fathers of Freedom bolt carrier group, Saberclaw 2-stage trigger, Radiant Raptor LT charging handle, and Radiant Talon ambidextrous safety selector premium components at a price that makes competitors nervous. At $999 to $1,299, this is the best value premium 300 blackout platform in 2026. But number 3 is American-made history. You can actually own a reproduction of one of the coolest pieces of US small arms history ever built. Number 3, H&R T-48 reproduction. Number 3, H&R T-48 reproduction, featuring entirely American-made components and even the original serial number range. The Harrington and Richardson T-48 is a unique chance to own a reproduction of one of the most historically significant battle rifles in American small arms history, the FAL variant that almost became America's standard military rifle before the M14 won the contract. These T-48 rifles feature 21-inch chrome-lined barrels with a 1-in-10 twist and flash hider, forged steel receiver, and all metal components carry a Parkerized finish. Wood furniture is oil-finished Amish walnut, the kind of craftsmanship modern production simply does not attempt anymore. Each T-48 ships with one 20-round metric pattern magazine, and that detail matters because metric pattern FOL magazines are far more common and affordable than their Commonwealth counterparts. Other details include adjustable sights, adjustable gas regulator, and carry handle, completing the authentic military specification appearance and function. Every single component is made in America, maintaining the integrity of the original design throughout. At $3,100 to $3,300 for the standard version and $3,100 for the BLM model, this is the most historically significant firearm on this entire list. But number 2 delivers serious firepower at a price that makes every other pistol on this list look overpriced. Number 2, PSA Dagger Pro. Palmetto State Armory just released the Dagger Pro in 2026, and it is already selling out faster than any other pistol PSA has ever produced. The reason is simple: they took everything that made the original Dagger great and upgraded every single component to a standard that embarrasses pistols costing 3 times as much. The Dagger Pro ships with a cold hammer forged barrel, an upgraded flat-faced trigger with a shorter reset than the original, an optics-ready slide with direct mounting compatibility for the most popular red dot footprints, and an enhanced grip texture that performs in wet weather conditions without modification. 9mm memory, 15+1 capacity. Barrel, length 4. Auto 2 inches identical to the Glock 19, it was designed to compete against directly. Complete Glock 19 magazine and holster compatibility means every accessory you already own works immediately. Palmetto State Armory backs the Dagger Pro with their lifetime warranty, covering every mechanical defect forever, the strongest warranty in the budget pistol market right now. At $399 to $499, this is the most capable budget pistol available in 2026, and dealers cannot keep it on shelves. But number 1 is the most insane gun on this entire list. It folds in half, suppresses itself, and fits in a backpack. Nothing else like it exists anywhere at this price. Number 1, Kel-Tec Sub CQB. And here it is. Number 1, the Kel-Tec Sub CQB, the world's first integrally suppressed folding carbine. Nothing else like this exists at anywhere near this price in 2026. Like its older brother, the Sub 2000, this one folds completely in half for compact, discreet storage. Slip it into a backpack or vehicle compartment and nobody knows it is there. But unlike the standard Sub 2000, this comes with an integral suppressor built in from the factory. No ENFA paperwork, no tax stamp, no wait time. The Sub CQB features a 4.25-inch barrel followed by 12 inches of user-serviceable integral suppressor, total barrel length 16.25 inches, fully compliant federally. Pair it with subsonic 9mm, and the result is Hollywood quiet. A rotating barrel shroud with integrated Picatinny rails allows a weapon light and red dot while still folding completely for storage. Available in Glock or multi-magazine configuration. Vortex optic and weapon light included on the Defender package. At $995 MSRP, this is the single most innovative firearm available to American civilians right now in 2026. Is the Kel-Tec Sub CQB the most insane new gun of 2026? Drop your answer in the comments right now. That debate starts today. And there you have it, 10 insane new guns selling out across America fast in 2026. From the Daria Arms Max that fixed magazine-fed shotguns forever, to the Kel-Tec Sub CQB that folds in half and suppresses itself, every single gun on this list represents a genuine leap forward in what firearms can do right now. These are not incremental upgrades. These are the guns that are redefining the industry in 2026. Get them before they disappear. Hit subscribe. Which one you are buying first? Drop in the comments. Stay safe, stay ready.